here at the 5th Florida Automated Vehicle Summit.
Very excited to bring the very first autonomous mobility service to the Tampa Bay region.
It's incredibly exciting to share the vision with you of where Department of Transportation is going.
It's great to be here at the 5th Annual Florida AV Summit. I'm very grateful for all the partnerships. Looking forward to a great event.
This whole wave of autonomous vehicles that's coming, every journey of 1,000 miles starts with one small step.